Also, guys, hit that subscribe button. We need more followers. We need more subscribers for Gerard's Horticulture Culture. And also, if you have any videos that you would like to see me do with my plants, leave the suggestions in the comment box below. And keep watching. Hey plant people, this is another amazing episode. I have my Spider-Man shirt on because I feel amazing, like the Amazing Spider-Man. And today we are going to show you a treatment for pests in your plants. Basically, there's a few pests that really bother the heck out of me, which is the fungus gnats. So what I have for them is a natural pest problem eradicator that is kind of gruesome. Gruesome meaning what I'm going to show you today is fossils that can slice up the larvae when they're in their larvae stage and when they're growing inside your dirt, and before they emerge to flying around. This will take care of the larvae. And what I'm going to show you is Diatomaceous Earth, DT in short. And I have Diatomaceous Earth. It is it's in a lot of stuff. It's in toothpaste. You can actually drink it. I drink it when I can remember to drink it, and it's actually healthy for you. It does a lot of things for your body, but it won't harm you. But it's almost like a powder, but it's fine fossils, and when you put it in your soil, it'll basically, when the larvae crawl next to it, it'll cut them up so bad that they won't survive, and they'll wind up just getting wiped out because you have DT working for you to get rid of the fungus gnat. So this is what I have. I have a large bag of DT, and I already applied it on my plants, and I'm waiting to see if I see any fungus gnats flying around. Like I said, I just brought my plants inside, and I'm treating them with some DT, and I'll show you how to use it. And I might even show you how to drink it. But this is from Florida Laboratories. I got this off of Amazon, 2 big bags. And like I said, you can drink it on the daily. It will do numbers for you as far as health benefits. And it's, like I said, it's an all-natural pest elimination product that you can use for your plants against the fight of fungus gnats and a multitude of other pests that you see in your plants. So I'll show you how it's done, and keep watching. So I'm going to show you how to apply, or how I do my spreading of the Diatomaceous Earth. It's fairly easy, but it's a powder and it can go anywhere. So what I use is a makeup brush. And it's just an ordinary makeup brush, but I usually just tap the sides, so when it distributes in the pot, it just sprays in that area. And I could use I just tap it in there. So I dip in the Diatomaceous Earth, then I bring it over close to the plant, and I just tap it on just to drop the DT on. And it will only work if it is dry. It will not work. It's not effective when it's wet. So you have to let the soil dry. Don't do it after you water your plants. Let it dry out a little bit, then apply the DT, and you'll be golden. So this is how we do it. This is what it looks like. You can see it's just a powder. Looks like baby powder. And I got plenty of it. It's like a 5-pound bag. Almost looks like flour. So what I do is I just tap my brush lightly, just like so. And go like so. Just tapping it in there. You can see it's getting everywhere. But I like to just coat the whole the whole section. You can see it's spreading everywhere. I tried it once, trying to pour it on there, and it's not. It'll get everywhere. So, like I said, dry soil works best. And I'm just going to keep tapping it on there. Tapping it on there. And you see it's pretty much white, so it's an eyesore, but it just gets the job done. And I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes on my lovely Sansevieria. It's been with me for a while. If you want to know about Sansevieria, it's a snake plant. They call it the mother-in-law's tongue. It's a happy grower. You can neglect this plant and it'll bounce back. The only way you can really kill it is wet feet. That means like watering it too much and letting it sit in water, and then the roots will rock and it'll die. So I think that was simple enough to applying the DT. I have it in all of my plants that I brought inside, and I have like maybe 10 years of it to apply because I really didn't use a lot. I maybe used like less than 2 grams to apply it, and it's all over the plant. I kind of, if it's bad, I would say the larvae don't crawl on the plant, but just make sure you just get it in the soil. Like I said, it's white. I know it's an eyesore. It doesn't look too well or too pleasing, but the whole job of it is to get rid of the fungus gnats and the larvae at the larvae stage. And you can also consume it. And I'm not sure if you can consume all of them, all of the Diatomaceous Earth. Just check the product wherever you get it from. But I do drink it. It really has no taste. It almost feels like powder when you drink it. It doesn't cut your tongue or anything, and you can drink it. And actually, it's a good benefit to drink it. So definitely pick one up. I got mine from Amazon. It was like I said, a 5-pound bag, and it works great when you're knocking out the larva stage of fungus gnats. So try it out, and everybody leave a comment on my page below in the comment section, and please subscribe. I need some subscribers. I'm at 30 subscribers, but I'm not forcing you, so do whatever you want to do. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you are growing happy plants, and now you got one other weapon on your belt to fight against the fungus gnats. Thanks for watching Gerard's Horticulture Culture, and subscribe.